Hello, everybody. Hi, everybody. How are you doing? I hope everybody is doing pretty well. So, tonight we will talk about a new way we can use to work out. If you want to increase your energy, if you want to increase your vibration, if you want to make your gym experience fun, enjoyable, and at the same time, if you want to use like movement as a therapy, this video is for you because I will share with you my experience with a workout style that I call Segway. The new workout method or the fitness dance that I call Segway, because Segway originally in the Haitian Creole language means increase the energy, increase the vibration. And I call this system the same because it does the same. So, practicing Segway, your vibration will be increased, your energy, your mood will be lifted. I will let you experience yourself Segway through a hat. The very first moment when I thought about applying the Haitian folkloric dances that I already learned, I decided to try it on treadmill, and I will share this very moment with you guys. Okay, so you will see me the first time trying a Segway on the machine, but now it's not the same. And if you stick to the channel, you subscribe, and you continue to come to the channel, I will share with you the whole experience of Segway from the start to now, and we will have a very long and deep conversation about how dancing, how exercise can help us in our healing, in our holistic healing journey. So guys, I will leave you with the video about the first steps of the healing steps. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave comment. Okay, tell me guys, what do you think? Share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Like, share, and we will meet again on the next video. Enjoy Segway.